A few weeks ago, I started this project to see if I could grow some plants indoors. This is the old version of the greenhouse I made. Now let's see the new one and if any of my plants actually grew. Parsley is the plant that has the most growth so far. And my thyme and catnip is not lagging behind. The catnip I tried to grow using hydrophobics is actually doing pretty well, which is surprising. And another project I started is attempting to grow an onion off the bud I used to cook. As you can see, the root is growing